So as you can see, the lights are on and the trains are running. It was off all night. What I'm going to do is shut the video off now because it's going to take about 20 minutes before the lights dim down. As you can see, it's about 15 minutes in now, and everything is still running okay. As you can see, it was about 25 minutes, and the lights on the left side are out. What I'm going to do is try to turn it on and off right now. As you can see, nothing happened. And what I'm going to do is keep it off for about maybe 30 seconds and then turn it back on. Actually, I made a mistake. The lights came back on. I turned it on. The lights came back on. A mistake I made is I thought it was this side of the board, but it's that side.